to show my gratitude for you guys, I want to do my first giveaway. It's something maybe I'll do once a year. These are products that I paid for to review, or it's actually something that I'm just going to buy, to give away, just to show my appreciation for my viewership, and also to maybe promote my channel and to maybe make it grow a little more. Without further ado, first prize is going to be a set of Jamo S809 tower speakers in black. And these, I actually reviewed them. I'll put a card of that review up there. These are really good speakers, really solid for the price, and I think I had a glowing review on these things. Honestly, it's really hard to beat them, especially when you're comparing. I would pretty much take these speakers over any bookshelf on most days. I mean, we'd have to get into like a really good bookshelf speaker to really dissuade me from getting these towers. They just bring that extra full range sound, and they give you really good bass, and they kind of bring the whole package, and you don't have to put them on stands, so it's kind of a plus. So yeah, that's prize one. So the Jamo S809s tower speakers, these have the 1-inch dome tweeter and the 3 5-inch mid bass drivers. So prize number two are again another Jamo S801 bookshelf speakers. These are pretty solid speakers. I also reviewed them on the channel. I didn't think that they would be, I would have considered them like a full range speaker. I kind of concluded that they'd be a really good background music speaker, maybe really good at surrounds, surround sound speakers for your home theater, or, maybe get yourself a cheap sub. They'd probably be really awesome with a cheap sub and really give you, if you pair them really nicely and dial in just right, they'd be a really good, stereo speaker, of course. And third prize is the Android streaming box, which I think pretty much blows the Fire Stick or even like a cheaper Roku out of the water, in my opinion, because you get stock Android with this thing, and it honestly does everything that they do, but in a much cleaner interface. So this is third prize. At least it's not a bad little third prize for someone. I should say that the streaming box and the S801s are going to be, I am going to be shipping them personally. The S809 speakers, I will be buying them from a store and I will have them delivered to you. So yeah, if you win this stuff, there's no strings attached. Do whatever you want with them. If you don't need them yourself, give them to someone who does. If you want to hook somebody up with a really awesome set of speakers, be my guest. Do whatever you want. Put them on eBay, sell them if you want. It doesn't matter to me. So I just hope somebody eventually enjoys them. I'm gonna set there's some limits I gotta set here, some ground rules. I can only ship to the continental 48 states of the United States. I don't have unlimited funds, so I'm sorry. Again, United States only, and it's the 48, continental United States. Okay, so a few more ground rules. In order to be eligible, you have to leave a comment on this video, and you have to be subscribed. And I need to be able to verify that you're subscribed. I just can't, if you're not subscribed and I can't verify that you're subscribed, unfortunately, you're not going to be eligible to win this stuff. It's a small ask, I'm not asking you to buy some merch on a store that I don't even have merch. I'm not asking you to contribute anything. I'm just asking you to subscribe. That's all I'm asking. If you can like the video, that would be awesome too. So maybe the algorithm would promote it. In order for me to see that you're subscribed to my channel, you're going to have to go to YouTube settings by clicking on your little icon up here to the top right of your screen, hitting settings. Then you go to privacy, and then you have to uncheck keep all my subscriptions private. If you have it checked, then I won't be able to see that you're subscribed to my channel, and you won't be eligible for the contest. So right now the odds are pretty good. I think about 50% of my audience is from the United States. So if every single one of them subscribed and entered into this contest, you'd have a 1 in 1,000 chance to win, basically. So that's not bad odds on it. And I have 3 prizes too, so the odds are even better. And obviously, once you won once, you're not going to win a second time. I'm not kidding. You're out of if you won like the S809s, you're not going to be able to win the little bookshelf speakers on top of that. So I want those prizes to go to 3 different people. By all means, if you have a preference for what prize you'd want to win, you can go ahead and put that in there. If I happen to draw you first and you say in the comments that you'd rather have the bookshelf speakers, then sure, you can get the bookshelf speakers because you have first dibs. I forgot to mention one more thing. I'm going to actually let this video run for
2 weeks
before I announce the winner. After
2 weeks. 2 weeks
of this video being up, I'll make the drawing myself personally, and I will post another video stating who the winners were. I'm going to just post the comments, the 3 comments that are winners. And if you win, you have 1 week to get back to me, and I'm going to give you the email address. It's upscaledcontact@gmail.com. You'll see it down there, and just email me stating that you won. I'll verify that you actually did win, and then I can take your information and mail you your stuff. And anyway, good luck, and may the odds be ever in your favor.